Washington, Reuters. Gary Cohn, the top economic advisor to U.S. President Donald Trump and a voice for Wall Street in the White House, said on Tuesday he would resign, a move that came after he lost a fight over Trump Euro trademark's plans for hefty steel and aluminum import tariffs. The departure of Cohn, director of the National Economic Council, was expected to be finalized in a few weeks and will blow a hole in Trump Euro trademark's already depleted advisory team at a time when the economy is growing but markets are volatile. Trump said in a tweet on Tuesday night that he will be making a decision soon on replacing Cohn. Administration officials said Peter Navarro, director of the White House National Trade Council, and conservative commentator Larry Kudlow were the top two candidates for the job. White House officials said the tariffs dispute contributed to Cohn trademark's decision to leave, but that it was not the sole reason. One official cited several issues and noted, his biggest mission was on the tax cut bill, which he got past It was the latest in a series of high-profile departures from the White House, which Trump downplayed on Tuesday. Asked at a news conference with the Swedish Prime Minister about high staff turnover, Trump said, many people want every single job. I could take any position in the White House and trademark have a choice of the 10 top people having to do with that position. Everybody wants to be there. Cohn told Trump about his decision to resign on Tuesday, but he and the president had been discussing his possible departure for weeks, a White House official said. Cohn did not show up for Trump trademark's news conference on Tuesday, despite a seat being set aside for him. Stocks falter. Following the news on Cohn, the US dollar weakened and US stock futures fell more than 1%, with analysts citing increased uncertainty about the US economic agenda. Eon of the adults in the room has left. The markets will worry that this is a signal that we will definitely go ahead with these tariffs, said Paul Mortimer Lee, chief market economist at BNP Paribas Corporate and Investment Banking. Without Cohn in the picture, Navarro, an economist, will likely have a clearer field to pursue a protectionist agenda, which squares with Trump trademark's long-held concerns about trade. Trump said last week he would impose import tariffs of 25% on steel and 10% on aluminum, a move criticized by some prominent Republicans, but backed by some Democrats. Trump trademark's announcement followed an intense debate within the White House between Cohn and Navarro and their respective allies, said White House officials. Chances of us having a trade war have now increased. The economic nationalists now certainly have the upper hand, said Monica DeBaal, a senior fellow at the Peterson Institute for International Economics, a think tank. Help drive tax overhaul. Cohn, 57, who served in the White House for a little more than a year, achieved an early rapport with Trump and proved influential in the administration trademark's decisions last April not to label China a currency manipulator and to renegotiate the North American Free Trade Agreement, instead of terminating it. He was a driver of the tax overhaul enacted in December, Trump trademark's only major legislative achievement of 2017. After the tax package was approved, Cohn tackled an infrastructure initiative, but it has been slow to gain traction and will likely be further hampered by his departure. It has been an honor to serve my country and enact pro-growth economic policies to benefit the American people, in particular the passage of historic tax reform, Cohn said in a statement issued by the White House. I am grateful to the President for giving me this opportunity and wish him and the administration great success in the future, said Cohn. His relationship with Trump began to sour in mid-2017 after Cohn disagreed with the presidential trademark's tepid response to clashes between neo-Nazis and anti-racism protesters in Charlottesville, Virginia, sources close to Cohn said. Cohn, a Democrat, aligned himself in the constantly shifting White House power structure with fellow centrists such as Trump trademark's son-in-law, Jared Kushner, and daughter Ivanka Trump. Formerly president and chief operating officer of investment bank Goldman Sachs Group Inc., Cohn was often cited by business lobbyists as their strongest ally in the White House. A euro emery than anyone else in the White House, Cohn had credibility with the markets. Now that he euro trademark is out, the question is who takes over that mantle, a euro, said financial firm Capital Alpha Partners analyst Ian Katz in a late research note. The White House senior staff under Trump saw a 34% turnover rate in 2017, compared with first-year turnover rates of 9% under former President Barack Obama, 6% under President George W. Bush and 11% under President Bill Clinton, according to Cohn and CO analyst Chris Krueger. In a statement, Trump credited Cohn for his work on the tax package and said, he is a rare talent, and I thank him for his dedicated service to the American people.